Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need an AirPlay-capable LG TV and the same Wi-Fi network. Once those match, power on the TV and unlock your iPhone. On the TV, make sure Home Dashboard or AirPlay is enabled in Settings. This lets the TV advertise itself. Once done, pull down Control Center on your iPhone or click the AirPlay icon on your Mac. You will see the TV name. Tap it to start pairing. Make sure you keep both devices within normal Wi-Fi range for reliable discovery. You'll be prompted with a 4-digit code on the TV. Enter it on your iPhone or Mac to confirm the secure connection. Once paired, choose mirroring to duplicate your entire screen or pick an app's AirPlay icon to stream only that app's content. Make sure to select the correct playback source on the TV if it doesn't switch automatically. If the image seems cropped, change the TV aspect ratio or zoom with the remote. This preserves resolution and keeps controls visible during playback. When you're done, end AirPlay from Control Center or the AirPlay icon in the app to release the TV. Make sure the TV returns to its normal input. If video or audio lags, minimize wireless interference, move devices closer to the router, or lower streaming quality in the source app. If the TV never appears, restart the TV and your iPhone or Mac and verify both are on the same network. This reboot often clears stale discovery caches and restores AirPlay functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.